Hi there, Jacob here. Today let's learn how to hide or block anyone from Snapchat story. This is pretty easy and quick, so let's get into it. Before we start, be sure to hit that like button and consider subscribing to our small channel. Now, let's get back on track. First, I'm going to open up the Snapchat. Now, I'm going to choose a picture. And now I'm going to set my story. Once you are done uploading your picture on Snapchat, just tweak up some settings. Now, you see that three dot? Tap on there. Tap on Story Settings here. You can see who can view my story here. You'll find the three different settings. Everyone, my friend, Custom. Now you need to choose Custom. Now cross your specific friends. Repeat. Now cross your specific friends that you want to hide or block. Once you do this, your friends will no longer be able to see your story. So, this was it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.